Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be upgrading this Alpine A110 with a Milltek exhaust system. Now, we've had a few of these cars in the workshop before to do some wheel alignment and some other small mechanical work like that, but we haven't actually installed an exhaust system yet. So we're really excited to see what it looks and what it sounds like. And obviously, if you're interested in any of the upgrades in this video, then head to the description and then you can find a method to contact us. But let's hear what the exhaust system sounds like now. And then at the end of the video, we'll show you what it sounds like. So let us know in the comments what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously, if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.